The biggest poison in us is regret.
I think there are a lot of people that have dreams and aspirations of things that they always wanted to do, but it wasn't the right time, or they didn't have enough money, or they didn't have enough experience. It's never the right time. You're never gonna have the right experience. And all of a sudden you wake up and you're 70. And you're like, God, I wish I could have done it.
It's what you don't do that screws with you later on.
I get one shot at this life. This is it. And I don't want to go through life being the 80% version of me. I don't want to look back and be like 77 and be like, I didn't do that. There's so much I want to do, and I love life so much, I don't want to miss it. I don't want to miss it because I'm lazy, it's not the right time, I don't have enough experience. Go. Get your foot in the door, take a chance, and figure it out as you go. If you want to have a big year, you got to do it. It's hard to create newness. It's hard to create the drive to crush it this year. But you have to do it because the window, those years, man, they go fast. Nobody in this room came this far to only come this far. You wouldn't even be here if that was the case. But if you want to make changes, you want to have a great year, man, it's up to you. And you better start doing it now. You grow when you step into the unknown. Those are the things that require preparation, maybe failure, hard work, but those are the things that make you feel most alive. What's the one thing that you're going to do that's going to define this year, that's going to change, something that you can remember and hold on to and build from before those years go like this?
It's super simple. Let your actions dictate instead of sitting there and feeling like you're not in control. If you're lucky enough right now to be listening, figure out what puts you on fire, and you're good at what you like, become tunnel vision. Because there's way too many voices telling you what and how. Everybody's got a different thing. Figure out what your thing is and stop making excuses like, I missed it, I had that idea for Uber. Then why didn't you fucking do it?
That's the way the world works. You put yourself out there and you ask people, you create the luck, you make it happen.
Everybody's got a shot. So go take yours. Go do your thing. You're just making every minute count. Every minute has to count. Every minute has to count. Because you just don't have as many of them as you think. You just don't.